Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And here in Martinez, the wind is absolutely nuts this morning on Super Bowl Sunday. It is howling out here. And I wanted to go back to sleep. I couldn't. It's just so noisy. Everything's banging around. And I don't know how fast the winds are, but it's also very cold. And I don't know how much of this you'll be able to hear. But this is like super windy. Not so much in the courtyard. But it is really nuts out here. It's been howling since about, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. And very icy cold. All right, I just want to show you guys what the weather's like. I'm going to go down to the bar and watch the Super Bowl, but I don't want to go out in this. And I've got to go cat feed at one point. It is really bad. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I mean, you can look at my bag on my table. I brought the other table in, and it won't stop. All right. We're at here. I gotta end this. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, and I hope you're staying dry and warm, because it's not warm here in Martinez. Bye bye for now.